Hello, Bajra almond cake. I'm going to show you how to make this amazing healthy cake for the festival season and the Christmas that is coming up. Almond I've taken and made almond flour at home. You just have to powder it. And Bajra flour I have taken and sifted it thrice to create that fluffy texture. Rice flour, salt, baking soda, and I'm mixing up all the dry ingredients, keeping it aside. Now, the wet ingredients, I've taken one big banana, mashed it, and then I have added oil, curd, jaggery, vanilla essence as well, and then giving it a quick stir. Now, dry ingredients and wet ingredients should be folded like this. You should not stir it, otherwise, the fluffiness of the cake will go away. Now in a tin, I'm transferring this banana cake's content, and then I'm decorating it with almond flakes, sesame seed, and pumpkin seeds. This is not just a decent way to make it look good, but also make it more healthier. So I'm baking it now. I have also made muffins. You can see how well the cake has turned out. For their birthdays as well, you can make it at home, a healthy version of cake all the time. My son loved it. He gave a thumbs up. My daughter is still thinking what to say. But this went to their snack box and they absolutely loved it. You give it a try this festive season and let me know how you loved it.